and stop there. Barrister is on Wike. Mr. Project. Thank you for giving us this hope and sincere commitment to shared value. Well done. As a team leader, you work so hard, tirelessly. I must recognize your vision that is revolutionary and very inspiring to many of our people. Yes, and wait. The changes you made to the FCT structure and administrative is yielding results and elevating the hearts of many Nigerians. Thank you very much. The national chairman of our party, once again, our dear landlord, Barrister Wike, thank you for bringing love back to our federal capital territory. I understand the Southern Parkway not only represents a physical artery that connects vital areas within FCT, but also symbolizes our collective aspirations for connectivity, ease of livelihood, accessibility, and progress. By providing a seamless and efficient transportation corridor, this roadway will not only ease traffic congestion, but also enhance mobility and creativity for the residents and visitors to FCT. The completion of the Southern Parkway underscores our commitment to inclusive and sustainable development as we strive to build a world-class capital city. We recognize the fact that infrastructure is an enabler of job, economic development, and prosperity. We believe we are going to achieve all of that. The need of our citizens is paramount in our mind. So from making our citizens the central focus of our development, we believe Nigeria will succeed.